Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time again, guys. Today we want to show you can make yourself a Jamaican old school back in the days, guys. I don't know if you remember back in the days in Jamaica, but I remember those days, guys. There's certain things which I will never forget. Things like these: crackers and butter with probably with our chocolate tea, our cocoa tea, our hot chocolate, or probably some coffee tea, or probably some mint in the morning for your breakfast, or you can have it even for a little evening snack. But it's an old school, but a lot of people, you know what I mean, probably might forget about it, but you know, I like to remember, I like to just jog back remembrance. So guys, if you remember those things, leave your comments below like other else can know. Crackers and butter served with hot chocolate from Jamaica with Chef Ricardo cooking. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. We love you. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. See you next time. Lovely. So as you can see, crackers and butter is an old school, Jamaican old school style, guys. But I want to simply say to you, this is a fashion. You can't outdate it. This is a very easy and simple recipe, guys, and hopefully you will love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Be careful of the butter. Don't use too much butter, because butter, you know what I mean, we don't want it to sleep up inside. So guys, hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. It's an old school recipe, and I decided to share with you guys back in the days. Hot chocolate with crackers. You can have it for breakfast or have it for a snack in the evening. See you next time. Bye bye.